Hello and welcome to Rise in Tech. Today, we'll talk about Top 5 Best Mini Drones in 2023. If this is your first time watching my video, make sure you subscribe now and enable notifications. Number 5. Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone. A micro-drone is an unmanned aircraft system, UAS, weighing less than 55 grams. These miniature flying aircraft are ideal for capturing photographs, making films, and a variety of other tasks. In fact, several of these mini drones have become crucial aerial photography and cinematography instruments, while some of them may also be used for surveying, mapping, or even parcel delivery. 1080p HD Auto-Adjustable Camera. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera that can be adjusted within 90 degrees by your remote control or the app. This drone can provide you with an exciting experience of aerial scenery through the 112 degrees wide-angle lens, and help you capture every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective. HS440 can handle it all, whether you're shooting on a desolate beach or catching the intricacies of a lively family reunion. Simply operation for stunning content. HS440 improves user experience and intelligent features meticulously. The operation is more efficient and safer than ever before, thanks to autonomous takeoff and precision hovering. One key high-speed rotation would make flying more enjoyable. When the sky is your playground, the possibilities are limitless. Discover a new adventure. With sophisticated functions like as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, as well as user-friendly features such as its extended flying duration for every practice, the HS440 is a must-have for novices. Number 4. Tello Quadcopter Drone. A fun little drone for kids and adults that teaches users about drones through coding instruction. Fly with a beautiful first-person view using a VR headset. Tello boasts 2 antennae for extra stable video transmission and a high-capacity battery for remarkably lengthy flying periods. To begin flying, simply toss Tello into the air. Slide your finger over the screen to execute 8D flips and spectacular aerial maneuvers. Tello takes stunning photographs and movies thanks to a high-quality image processor. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can use EZ shots to create pro-level films and broadcast them on social media from your smartphone. Number 3. DJI Mini SE Drone Quadcopter with 3-axis Gimbal. As small as a smartphone, DJI Mini SE is nearly the same weight as a smartphone, weighing less than 0.55 pounds, 249 grams. You may fly this camera drone without registering it with the local authorities in the United States and Canada. Temperature range: 0 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Frequency of operation: 5.725 5.850 GHz for the MT2SS5, 2.4002.4835 GHz for the MT2SD25, and 5.725 5.850 GHz for the MT2SD25. Capture on the move. The lightweight and powerful DJI Mini SE camera drone is great for producers who are always on the move. The ultra-portable design enables you to effortlessly record amazing moments. More time in the sky. The weight of the DJI Mini SE allows it to stay in the air longer than other consumer drones on the market. With a completely charged battery, you can fly for up to 30 minutes. Capture every detail. The DJI Mini SE can take 12 megapixels aerial photographs and record 2.7K HD films. A 3-axis motorized gimbal improves camera steadiness and produces crisp, ultra-smooth video. Upgraded wind resistance. The DJI Mini SE can withstand gusts of 29-38 km per hour and take off at a maximum height of 4,000 meters, ensuring consistent footage even while flying along a windy shoreline or high above an alpine forest. Simple to use template. The DJI Fly app has a number of creator templates that make beautiful films with a single tap. Even inexperienced users with no editing knowledge may make any moment a social media sensation. Number 2. DJI Mavic Mini Combo Drone Flycam Quadcopter. Mavic Mini is almost as light as the typical smartphone, weighing less than 0.55 pounds, 250 grams. You may fly this camera drone in the United States and Canada without having to register it with the authorities. The Mavic Mini camera drone is the ideal creative partner, capturing your moments in a way that easily elevates the ordinary. The weight of the Mavic Mini helps it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer flycams on the market. With a completely charged battery, you can fly for up to 30 minutes. Mavic Mini can take 12 megapixels aerial photographs and record two 7K HD films. A 3-axis motorized gimbal improves camera steadiness and produces crisp, ultra-smooth film. What you will receive: Mavic Mini Remote Controller, DJI 3 Intelligent Flight Batteries, 3 spare propeller pairs, 2 pieces of micro USB cable, RC cable for gimbal protector, micro USB connection, USB-C connection, RC cable lightning connector, RC cable control sticks, spares, screwdriver, 18x spare screw, 360 degrees propeller guard, 2-way charging station, carrying case for the G18W USB charger. DJI Fly app requires iOS v10.0 or later and Android v6.0 or later. Devices that are compatible include iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, 11 XS Max, XS XR, X8 Plus, 8 7 Plus, 7 6s Plus, 6s 6 Plus, 6 6 Plus 6, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, S10. Number 1. DJI Mini 2 Ultralight and Foldable Drone Quadcopter. Pack light, fly free. It weighs about the same as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand, weighing less than 249 grams. This little drone is the ideal trip companion, revolutionizing how you record your favorite experiences. It is compact and handy. 3-axis gimbal with 4K camera. A 12MP camera in the sky produces material that is sure to wow. With 4K 30fps footage and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, the Tiny 2 offers superb image quality that is continuously smooth no matter how daring your flying gets. OcuSync 2.0 video transmission. The Small 2 supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and has outstanding anti-interference capabilities, allowing you to fly farther and see more clearly. Powerful performance. The G Mini 2 has a maximum battery life of 31 minutes, giving you more than enough time to create the ideal photo. The Mini 2 can withstand level 5 winds and fly at a maximum height of 4,000 meters, ensuring steady video even while flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. There's no need to come so near for your fantasy photo with 4x zoom. When switching between images of variable distance and composition, 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more easy. 2.400, 2.4835 GHz and 5.725, 5.850 GHz are the operating frequencies. Quickshot. With a few touches, the G Mini 2 automatically captures and produces professional-level films that can be shared immediately on social media. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned pilot, the G Fly app can help you achieve stunning outcomes complete with soundtracks and filters. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Please subscribe to my channel and enable notifications now.